Do you really know one of the best ways to share Claude Code skills across different coworkers, teams, and even projects? Keep watching. I'm going to show you one of the best ways to do it. To handle all these different use cases, you need to create a marketplace. So what is a marketplace on Claude Code? A marketplace is basically a JSON configuration that contains multiple plugins, and each plugin can contain multiple skills, agents, or MCP connector. And that's it. This approach allows us to separate skills from our current project repositories. So we don't need to create pull requests just to add the skills into the project itself. It helps us to keep the clean repository scope and better organization. I create a marketplace template repository that you guys can start using so it becomes much easier to organize your skills, MCP, and agent. For example, let's say you already built an awesome skill for your team. In this case, the skill is called Jira Code Review. Now you want to share that skills across your team and different projects. The first thing that you need to do is go into the template repository I create called PCP Marketplace Template. Here is the repository link. I also have a readme.md file that explains everything. What includes the repository layout, a quick start guide using Claude Code, how to install the plugin, how to add skills, and how every file inside the repository works. So step number one, clone the repository using git clone. Navigate into the project folder and open Visual Studio Code. Step number two, update the marketplace name. For example, company name, and also update the owner name and email. So we can verify that we already have different plugins inside the JSON file. We have the front end, back end, general, and QA. Since our skill is called Jira Code Review, we can categorize it under general plugin. We can verify that the source of the general plugin points to the plugins-general folder. So we can navigate into plugin, general, skills. Then we create a new folder with the name of our skill. In this case, Jira Code Review. You will notice there are already two mock skills there. They are just example and you can delete it later. Now we simply copy and paste our skill.md file into the folder. Next, we commit our changes. One important thing, we need to change the git remote source so the repository points to the new repository that belongs to our company. That way we can share it with teams and even different projects. So let's create a new public Git code repository. Add the name, add the description, and push our marketplace into that repository. And that's it. Now we have the repository containing the skill that we want to share. The final step is simulating how a coworker will use it. For example, a coworker's open Claude Code, goes to plugin, marketplace, add a marketplace, and then copy and paste the repository URL. Now we can see the available plugins. We have backend, frontend, general, QA. Since our skills was added under general, we installed the general plugin. I also have another video explaining the difference between the project scope, user scope, and local scope. You want to watch it, check that video too. But for this example, we are going to use the project scope. Now we restart Claude Code. Then we go to plugins to verify the installed plugins. We can also verify inside skills that our Jira Code Review skills is already available. So now your teammate can start using the skill immediately. So what is the advantage of using the marketplace setup? The biggest advantage is centralized update. So you can improve a skill in the future, add more skills, agents, or MCP connector, and your teammates will automatically receive the update. They just need to go to plugins, install it, and then either update manually or mark the plugin to automatic updates. So to recap, we create a marketplace based on a repository template. We configure the plugin, and remember, a marketplace can contain many plugins, and each plugin can contain many skills, agents, and MCP connector. And this is very important. You are not limited to share only skills. You can also share agents or MCP connector across different projects. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to help. And also feel free to share suggestions. I'm always open to learn new things. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. I really appreciate and see you guys next week.